How can I create a Coinbase account? To create a Coinbase account, you can follow these steps. 1. Visit the Coinbase website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. 2. On the Coinbase homepage, click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the page. 3. You'll be directed to the account creation page. Fill in the required information in the provided fields. The information typically includes your first name, last name, email address, and password. 4. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined by Coinbase. It's recommended to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. 5. After entering the required information, click on the Create Account button. 6. Coinbase may send you a verification email to the email address you provided during the sign-up process. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Coinbase. 7. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This step confirms that the email address you provided is valid. 8. Once your email is verified, you may need to complete additional identity verification steps depending on your country of residence and Coinbase's requirements. This typically involves providing personal information and uploading identification documents such as a passport or driver's license. 9. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the identity verification process. Coinbase will guide you through the necessary steps, which may include taking a photo of yourself and submitting the required documents. 10. After successfully completing the identity verification process, you'll gain access to your Coinbase account. 11. You can now set up additional security measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, to enhance the security of your account. Coinbase will provide instructions on how to enable 2FA during the setup process. 12. Once your account is set up, you can start buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies through Coinbase. If you encounter any issues during the Create account, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.